Hi guys, welcome back to Civilian Ways. So here this is the continuation or reply or like a great support of my previous video, and by this video I'm going to give a good news to all the students and a great support to all the students of TSM set, E set, PG set, Law set, I set and all L set examinations. So watch this video till end. So many of the students were commenting in my previous video about the latest update, like exams are going to be conducted or not, cancel the examination, all this stuff. Like my comment section is like filled with all these questions and all the like support from the students. Like they are like some of the students are encouraging towards it. So I'm going to a step further for it. As the TSPG set 2020 hall ticket is released, I have contact to the officials of NSUI, and here is the good news that all students got a great support from NSUI. So here I'm going to like show you. I'm going to like you may hear the recordings of some officials of NSUI and what they are saying about the situations here. So before beginning this video, I request you to subscribe to Civilian Ways, because this is the one way you can help me out. So I will be bringing you more examination updates and as well as all the stuff you know about my channel. So let's begin our video. So first, like I have contacted to NSUI. I got the number from official, but it was of a number of UP. So as you can see here. So firstly, I have spoke with NSUI, UP and Chandigarh in charge, Shauryaveer sir. I don't know that this was UP and Chandigarh number, but it was UP and Chandigarh. I thought it was Telangana number. So you can see here the recording. Is this Shauryaveer sir speaking?
जी बोलिए।
अच्छा सर, ये मुझे आपका नंबर NSUI से मिला है,
जी
तेलंगाना स्टेट सेक्रेटरी।
नहीं, पर आई एम नॉट तेलंगाना इंचार्ज, आई एम यूपी एंड चंडीगढ़ इंचार्ज।
Okay, sir. Then where I can get the number of Telangana state?
आपको मैं नंबर दे देता हूँ।
जी नंबर दे दीजिए ना सर।
राइट डाउन दी नंबर।
ओके सर।
नाइन जीरो।
Okay sir, thank you very much.
थैंक यू।
So accidentally this was a number of NSUI, UP and Chandigarh in charge, Shauryaveer sir. So I got next number of like next in charge of NSUI, and hopefully that was also like the person like Naved Khan sir is in Jhansi at that time. So you can hear the audio of Naved Khan sir also. National Council of Student.
यस
Sir, I'm PG set student speaking here.
ओके।
So, sir, recently TSPG set 2020 website has released hall tickets for the students,
ओके
and exams are going to conducted from 3rd to 3, 4, 5 July, like 1 to 3.
ओके।
So, sir, I want to highlight here that the condition of our state is not good now. Then how this government is like?
So
not
you have a
considering-
word with Venkat?
Sorry. Yes, I have heard on Map TV.
No, no. You have a word with our state president Venkat?
No,
You
no.
talked with him?
No, sir. I recently got news that he's like affected with corona. So
No, he's just talking. So because he is there, I am in Jhansi. He will help you out. I'll just give you our number. So you
Okay.
just contact him
Okay, sir. Can you
and
please
give him the reference. I have a word with Naved ji, so he gives me your number.
Sir, your name, please?
Naved Khan.
Naved Khan. Okay, sir.
So tell Venkat I have a word with Naved ji.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So he'll definitely help you out.
Okay, sir. Can you please send me the number?
I'll just send you.
Okay, sir. So after having communication with NSUI, the person Naved Khan sir was in Jhansi. So from that source, I got the number of Telangana state like NSUI president Venkat Balamur sir. So here are the words of Venkat Balamur sir, which are very supportive to all the students of set examinations. So you may hear now the words of Venkat Balamur sir, who is affected with coronavirus, and he is like in these conditions also he's supporting the students in such a great way, such a fascinating way. So you can hear the voice of Venkat Balamur sir now.
Hello.
Sir, is this Venkat sir speaking?
Yeah, who's this?
Sir, can you please speak with me for 2 minutes? I had a call with Naved Khan sir and I got your number. I'm a student of Telangana state speaking here. Sir, I have applied for like TSPG sets, and I also like from all the students, like I want to communicate something with you that the final hall tickets have been released.
Hmm.
and exam is going to be conducted from 1 to 3 this TSPG set examination.
Okay.
And also
But
all the students are like tweeting about the TS MSET also. So by like considering all the situations
already
of
Monday, I'm going to file a case in High Court. As
Okay.
today was holiday for High Court, today
Okay.
and tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
I already filed a previous bill.
Yes, sir.
But again, tomorrow I'm refiling another, like Monday, another petition for this.
Yes.
All UG, PG and all entrance exams should be
Yes.
cancelled.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, because there is no other option than going legally.
Yes, sir.
So let's hope for the best. After putting the file, we
Yes,
will
sir.
put it in first priority.
Yes, sir.
Let's see what court decides.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Thank you very much for your support, sir. And I also saw your complete debate on MAP TV interview.
Yeah, because
So,
I was affected with corona, so
Yes,
I couldn't
sir.
come on field.
Yes, I got that news, sir. Hope you will get well soon, sir. All students are praying for you, sir. So on behalf of all students, I'm saying you this, inshallah, you will soon be get soon. Well, sir.
Thank you. And don't worry and tell each and every student that I am fighting in spite of me being affected, but I am with them.
Yes, sir. We all are with you, sir, and we thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. Okay.
Thank you, sir, very much.
Don't get panic.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much. I will forward your message to like all students, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you very much, sir. So this was the support of Venkat Balmur sir in such situations to all the students. So I hope he will get well soon, and I also suggest and I also pass this message to all the students that pray for Venkat Balmur sir to get well soon. And here I want to go through some articles of today's DC paper about the worst conditions of our state. So the first thing is only people can, this is from our ETELA, our health minister Telangana state. So only people can stop disease spread ETELA. So these are COVID in the state will understand how is being attempted. See here you can read complete paragraph. Choices before the people, attempts to undermine government efforts, the role of private hospitals and testing centers, augmentation and testing personal strength, COVID-19 facilities in the state. So this was like a message that only people can stop the disease here. So I will I'm questioning TSCHE and TS government here. Here our health minister is giving a message that only people can control this spread of disease here. Then what about these examinations? So here bulk of students will be coming at a one place. So I request to TSCHE and TS government officials that watch my previous video in that I have discussed all the conditions of our present state. So the next statement in DC paper, disease might spread much faster from now. This is also from our health minister. So this is today's condition. Today's DC paper mentions it. Consequences is that cases will go up in India and that the disease might spread much faster from now on. Even if these predictions hold, we are prepared. So here are some predictions. So if we are holding on these predictions also, disease might spread very fast from now. So this is the present scenario of our state, and they are conducting set examinations. So this is a very worst decision from my side that exam should be conducted on these days, PG set on 1 2 3 and this M set on 7 8 9 all these dates. So this is a reverse decision, and I'm directly saying to TSCHE that. So next thing is that Karnataka students who wrote class 10 SSLC exam test positive for COVID-19. A total of 19 other students were present in the examination hall along with a COVID positive student. So here you are risking all the students' life here to attempt the examinations, set examinations, and if they have if you're conducting and if the students had not attempted the examination, they can waste their it is directly they can waste their 1 year. So I request to Telangana State Government, TSCHE, Telangana State Council of Higher Education that postpone TSPG set, TSM set and all other set examinations of Telangana State. So finally here is a screenshot of I have speak to Venkat Balmur sir on 7:58 p.m. and Jhansi Naved Khan sir NSUI on 7:44 p.m. and NSUI Chandigarh Punjab Sharivir sir at 7:41. So I like thank you very much to NSUI that they are supporting a lot, and this is a message from our Telangana State President Venkat Balmur sir, and I finally convey this message to all the students that pray for Venkat sir. Hope he will get well soon. So thank you very much for watching this video. Support Civilian Ways to grow this channel, and thank you very much.